Welcome to our guide on how to delete a conversation on the Messenger app on PC. Let's walk through the steps to easily manage your conversations and delete unwanted chats on the messaging platform. Step 1. Begin by opening the Messenger app on your PC to access your conversations and messages. Step 2. Find the conversation that you want to delete from your list of chats within the Messenger app. Step 3. Right-click on the conversation that you wish to delete to bring up a list of options related to that specific chat. Step 4. From the options that appear, select Delete Conversation to indicate that you want to remove the chat from your Messenger app. Step 5. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to delete the conversation. Click on Delete to confirm and permanently remove the chat. By following these simple steps, you can easily delete a conversation on the Messenger app on your PC and declutter your chat history. Deleting conversations allows you to maintain a tidy and organized messaging experience. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you effectively manage your conversations and delete unwanted chats on the Messenger app on PC. Enjoy a more streamlined and clutter-free messaging experience by removing conversations that you no longer need.